What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about having your chorus and your verse sounding a little bit different via reverb or delay inside a rap track, because you want there to be an established chorus and established verse. Most of the time you want people to know, oh, this is the chorus and now here's the verse. And a way you can do that is by having more reverb on the chorus and less on the verse. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's a song I'm working on called Wind Blows, and I'm going to play you a little bit of the chorus, and then I'll play a little bit of the verse, and then we'll talk about the differences.
Wind blows, it goes and goes. O's go, they go and go. Wind blows, it's cold and cold. O's go, I know in zone. Wind blows, it goes and goes. O's go, they go and go. Wind blows, it's cold and cold. O's go, I know in zone.
Alright, now we'll play a little bit of the verse.
Go and go, I get it, got it, no in zone, I stay on topic, music crazy, stay astonished, feeling better, mental polish, stay hateful, I pay no honest thought, I seek what is sought, my own path, I stay atop, my own thoughts and what I jot.
Now, if you really listened there, you would hear that the chorus has a little bit more reverb in it. Okay, so let's go into the mixer here and kind of check this out. So in the mixer, I got the chorus right here, and it's linked to a chorus reverb syn and a chorus delay syn. And there's more reverb and delay going on that chorus, as you can see with the levels here in the syns. Because on the verse, they're linked to the reverb syn and the delay syn. Now, if you don't know how to make syns, I'm going to link a video that I just did that was talking about syns. That's up in the top right corner right now if you want to check that out. But yeah, the verse still has reverb and delay on it, so it's not dry, but it's not as much as the chorus, and it really helps separate the two. They still sound good together in the song, but you could differentiate that the chorus is the chorus and the verse is the verse. Okay, it's really important in a lot of tracks to have that kind of separation and just different vibe. Now, also on the chorus, I actually have the fruity chorus effect. I have just a little bit of it on here, but it's still adding some extra sauce onto the chorus. Okay, so if we just solo the chorus here.
Wind blows, it goes and goes. O's go, they go and go. Wind blows, it's cold and cold.
You can hear that it's really affected. Now let's just solo the verse over here.
Go and go, I get it, got it, no in zone, I stay on topic, music crazy, stay astonished.
You can tell that the verse is still affected, but it's not as wet, and it doesn't have that chorus effect. There's definitely a difference. So yeah, just, try messing with that. It doesn't always have to be like that, but a lot of times you don't want your chorus to be confused with the verse. You know what I'm saying? And vice versa. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.